And I have 3 of the Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel, and today I have another squishy package for you guys, and today's package is from Squishy Japan. I am really excited, so let's go. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post the videos every week and you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Let's just get started. I always freak out when I first open it. Oh my god, there's no room. So the first thing I pull out here, so I got 2 of the Pom Pom hamsters. This is Momo. Let's give it a squish. Oh my god, you can't really see too well. Look at that. So fat. It smells a bit like peaches, but then it also smells like strawberry, so, and that's the packaging. I also got the other one. I'm so sorry, I don't remember the name. But this one is the sleeping design. Look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, it smells like caramel. Yeah. And next thing I got was the Ugly Tinker. This is the Canon design. Ooh, I can smell peach scent, just like so cute. This one is so much more like firm as compared to my baby Tinker that I got before. And that's the packaging. Next I also got these 2. I know this one's happy, but this is how it looks like. This one has like a... Oh, this one smells really weird. It smells like cherries. There you go. Yeah, it smells like cherries. But it's super squishy. That's the packaging. And I also got the blue one. Is it even focusing? The blue one I find is a lot cuter than the pink one in my opinion. But this one smells like apples. It's really nice. Has the same packaging. I also got 3 bananas. I do have the mint one. The first one, it smells so good. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I mean, don't you just want to eat it and squish it? Look at that. Oh. I also have the purple one, and the packaging is adorable, I have to say. Oh my god, this one is super squishy. This one has a grape smell. It smells really artificial. But I also have the chocolate one. I don't really like the smell of the chocolate. It just smells really bad, to be completely honest. But it's so squishy. It's very cute. The last item I got, this was only $16 and like best squishy ever. And it's huge. Like, do you see this? It's so much bigger than I thought, and I almost didn't want to buy it. Oh my god. the focus. Where are you at, bro? This is like hands down like the best squishy ever. So that is oh my god, see how gross my room is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button to show me some love. Comment which is your favorite squishy today, and don't forget to subscribe because you definitely don't want to miss out on all these awesome squishies. You know, just subscribe because I feel lonely. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and share it to your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Excuse the background. Oh.